having fun in the hobby room. Hope you join me. Please subscribe. F86 build coming soon. More and more videos. Well, we're back. Randy's hobby room. Okay, I got this here. Remember, this piece cut to fit. And that servo there still. Everything's perfect, I know. And the wires. So I'm going to mix enough epoxy to see all these cuts I did, because I don't want any weakness in here. And then I'm going to very securely glue this plate down. Okay. So I think I'm going to use 30-minute epoxy for this. Just because, well, it's a lot to epoxy. That Hobby King stuff I used, the 5-minute, was set way too fast. So I'm going to use the 30-minute. We'll get it on here, get this piece on, and then we're going to finish the wiring over here on this wing, and we'll start on the second wing, I guess. We got to do this plate. I'm leery at the moment because I haven't quite figured out exactly how I want to do my flaps. But we'll come back and we'll get this put on right away. Well, I'm back. I got the epoxy mixed here. My trusty stir stick. There we go, get this everywhere on this inside here. I think this is going to add a lot of strength to the wing, I believe. Going on nice. All these surfaces got a little bit of epoxy on them. I'll be happy. Yes, sir. I think what I do for a bit, if I turn it back up the other way, so if anything did run down in there, it'll run up onto my piece. Yes. Now this in here. You can see everything I'm doing, I hope. Not doing anything secret. That's for sure, but we're getting epoxy now. Remember, I wanted to fill these gaps really good. Really flat, right? Okay, so let's leave that one alone. I hope some of the epoxy runs down in this wire. I'll smooth that out in a minute. I got more here. Make sure this. Okay, well, it's looking like I've got enough epoxy everywhere. That when this piece goes on, I don't think anything is going to come off. That's okay. Now I'm just going to push that down in the smooth. Well, like I said, okay, so there's a little box right there. Okay, so wow, I see it's gonna be tape. Here we come, tape. Okay, so Well, like I said, I think I'm gonna. Damn, I got the control rod and everything there. Anyways, let's try to turn it over for a bit. Get some of this glue that was running, run back onto the part. And then in a few minutes, we'll turn it back over. I'll come back after this finished gluing. See you in a minute. Here we go. All that boring stuff over with. The panel's on and the vinyl in place, nice. Yep. You know what I do though, I think before I fly this airplane, I'll repaint it. So I'll sand the bottom, just sand this off to make it nice and smooth. And then when I paint it, it'll look like one. There we go, we got the outside panel done. Well now, holy, you guys can come over here a bit. So, that's a really small spot. Can't leave anything in there for the plugs to go through. But I'll fix that. That's that size. And that one.